Ever wondered why the skin, our body's largest organ, sometimes acts like a rebellious teenager? Welcome to a journey that explores the fascinating world of skin health. The skin, a complex ecosystem of cells, proteins, and lipids, is the ultimate multitasker. It shields us from harmful invaders, regulates our body temperature, and even gives us the sense of touch. Yet, we often take it for granted. Did you know that the skin regenerates itself every 28 days? Yes, it's a self-renewing marvel, but to maintain its health, it needs a little help from us. Good nutrition, hydration, and protection from the sun are some of the ways we can support our skin's natural processes. Now imagine being in a city where the air pollution index is off the charts. The skin, being our first line of defense, takes the brunt of the damage. Over time, these harmful particles can cause inflammation, premature aging, and even skin diseases. The same applies to the kind of food we eat and the beverages we drink. A diet high in sugar, for instance, can lead to inflammation and break down collagen, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and youthful. So next time you reach for that candy bar, think about the long-term effects on your skin. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that the skin has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate. By making small changes in our lifestyle, we can significantly improve our skin health. This includes eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and protecting our skin from the sun and environmental pollutants. And here's the best part. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. This channel will be your compass, guiding you with expert advice, tips, and insights into the fascinating world of skin health. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of it, and it will take care of you. Enjoyed this introduction to skin health? Feel the urge to know more? Then don't hesitate. Subscribe to this channel now, because here, we believe that healthy skin is a lifetime journey, not a destination. Stay tuned for more illuminating insights into the world of skin health. Until then, keep glowing.